everyone, welcome to our next lost property item from Rooms of Wonder by Johanna Basford. We've got a unicorn today and we are using our Staedtler Design Journey pencils. I have got no idea what colour to do this, but I do have a couple of pastel-y colours which I am tempted by. I think I am going to use number 21. This is the light rose. I'm going to use it for the main part of our unicorn and then work from there. I'm always very tempted to leave them white because that just feels right, but I want to colour and if I grab my white pencil you won't see anything, so I think a pink is quite a nice compromise. I did colour some unicorns recently in a Hannah Carlson book, and I did them in a pastel rainbow, which was my husband asked me to do. That was a lot of fun. I used pastel tint, the Castle Arts pencils for that, which was good. I'm just going to try and get this even. I don't think I'll manage it, but a little more even at least. There we go. I don't want to go too dark, but I do want to add a little shadow in places, so I'm going to use number 20, which is our magenta, and I'm going to just put, I'm thinking in here and maybe just under there and in there, and then maybe even to add a little bit of shape to those legs. A little bit under there. Not too much. I think it's a little bit too dark under here. I'll just try and blend it in a bit more. Same as that one. And I might use this dark colour for the hooves, but leave a little gap. Sorry, I don't know where my voice has gone. Let's try and clear it now. So just leaving a little white mark, a gap, so that it looks shiny, because I was thinking hooves are really shiny. I'm not sure if they are. Now I think we'll swap colour for our mane and tail. Now I'm thinking the violet or the lavender might be nice. We only have the two sort of violet-y type colours. I think I will use the lavender actually, just because it's a little bit paler. It will go better with the pale pink, I think. So this is 62. I'm just going to go over it really. I'm not going to worry about making any areas darker at the moment, just because it's quite small and I just want to see how it looks really. It's quite cute. I'm going to go in the ear with it too. The tail to match. Quite often I would do a unicorn with a white body and then a pastel stripe mane and tail. That would be nice. But yeah, I don't want white today. Now we have wings, horn, stars. I'm quite keen on the idea of trying something silvery, but it's such a small area, I'm not sure if I can pull it off. Should I give it a try? Let's try it with the number 80. 80 is the light grey. Okay, I don't want to go too dark. With the horn, you could do the horn striped, but it's such a small area. I've decided to just go around the edge and leave a white bit in the middle for shine. With the stars, again, around the edge, quite intense, and then leave a bit in the middle for shine. And you could use a shiny pen for this, you know, a gel pen, or a sort of sparkly glaze or something like that, but I think I'm quite happy with it like that. Our ticket I am going to colour in in the lavender, number 62, but I'm going to put it on a little bit darker so it looks a little bit different. There we go, that's going to work. So I'm pressing quite hard. I probably shouldn't be. Layering up is always better, but I do run out of patience sometimes. Just taking a look, what I'm going to do is just grab my violet and do a few details of darker on the mane and tail. I just feel like it needs a little something. So on each bit on the top of the head, I'm going to make a tiny darker patch right on the top. And then same down the neck, the mane, like that, just a little bit. And then a tiny bit on the tip as well. I hope it makes it look a little more interesting. And with the tail, so a little bit there, and then a little bit there. Sort of how I would do hair. I hope that works and looks a bit more fun. So there is our unicorn. I'm going to stop fiddling with it now in case I spoil it. But there it is. I think it looks quite sweet. So yes, you could use something like this, which is a jelly roll number 700, and it's just a glitter glaze. But I think I'm just going to leave it because I'm going to record again straight away the this one, and I might just smudge it everywhere. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to refrain. But you could do that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a really lovely day and happy colouring.